Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your downloads folder is loading very slowly on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So you want to start by opening up File Explorer. So whether you have to search for it or you can just open up the taskbar shortcut, whatever works better for you. And you want to navigate to the downloads folder, so it should be right underneath your quick access here, or you might have to go navigate to it, but we see it's right here under our quick access menu. So we're going to go right click on it and we're going to select properties. We're going to select the customize tab, and where it says what kind of folder do you want, optimize this folder for, click inside this drop down and you want to set it to general items. Select apply and OK, and once you're done with that, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.